Malawi today.
Wanosikwa la masulidwa Isangalale tumse Apita kuna mulanso Uwondu sokoleli Uchoka kumamba Akusatikanika Choka kuikuputo Upita kukenani Apita pangolini Wasana mataona zipingo Taona sokoma Kusamunyasi Siyao apita Akulamula Kulumusi wantiko Apita Mphekesera Amadelela Apita gemu chenja Apita pangoli Mphekesera Amadelela Apita gemu chenja Apita pangoli Mphekesera Amadelela Apita gemu chenja Apita pangoli Mphekesera Amadelela.
So hapa mkumba kweoya na huyu Mumba huyu Akulu Mumba, brother, I think you need to let go. I want you to let go. You are making a fool of us Northerners, all of us, because you have lost elections fair and square. Mwaluza tu ma elections yo. Chwene mufuna yandi jani. Alafu basali mpata chagwela wanwe. Kaya muma musungila ndalama kama mpangila business. Kwa maifezimelo sizu ulikuta. Malawi asanka Peter Mutharika kuti akali president wao. My elections awawa palide sozo kuti kukhala rerun kapilani ku court ngati mukufila aggrieved. Go to court like what you did last time kuti mukhale mboma. But as it stands now, Malawians have made a decision. Decision yake ndi kuti Peter Mutharika ndi president. Iweyo ndi gulu lako, pack up and leave. Pack up and leave. Chakwera wako yo, familia yake, atengane, apite kumena manga zinyumba zao za bwino, akakhale kumeneko. Azidikilira milandu ya kupakwa Saulos Chilima. Iweyo zidikilira milandu yako ya mapassporti, oil zimene unapanga zicho. Because no send mukupita kundende. Nthawi ino achimwene, omuzara. Taona kukaya ise, wena mpoto. Let me tell you this, bro. Nthawi inasita kwambiri. Pakali panopa, sungama bwele pa podium iweyo. Ndikumanena kuti tipange data audit. You don't audit data, fine. But didn't the opposition parties come to you prior to elections and ask you if we could audit the machines? And what did you say? Munakana. Because you had it, the delusions that you have, the things that you were told, because muma munamiza chakwera ni president mods upanda nzelu, ndemu mapita kwa mfotokozera kuti bwana tiwina ma elections iwa mashina watu kutua mena Mphekesera timene ya landslide. You were telling him. You were fooling that man. Chakwera never read a book. That man doesn't even know anything about quantum physics. Don't know anything about psychology. He doesn't even understand who Chancellor Dakem is. Deviance, political deviance and everything. Samaziziwa. Inuyo mati ma-engineer mapita kwa yeyo kanamiza. Zako kachaji. Kagulu konse nde achina chimwendo maka munamiza kulu chakuti mukwidziwa strategy of winning my elections. You don't have the intelligent people around you. Actually, the most intelligent people in MCP, munabanga push out. Because Chakwera was trying to prepare you to lead that political party. But he was also preparing you for your downfall. This is your downfall, bro. The inevitable. You cannot delay the inevitable, my brother. So get the fuck out. Okay? Leave. DPP, you have great president. Wow. Okay? You will not be there. You are not going to be a clog in this wheel. This is the wheel of change. We are not going to sit here and watch you delay the inevitability, brother. Things have changed. Jessica, she's quiet now. She made some serious utterances. Yankula wambiri. Because my brother, when the winds of change are blowing, even a young boy in a village is going to repudiate you. For real, my friend. So because you are so delusional, I think you suffer from a serious form of dementia, delusions of grandeur. You have a psychosis that needs to be addressed by an expert. I think it's time for you to go and address it. Because the more you talk, the more you expose your inability to understand how deep this well runs, how deep Malawians hate MCP. Okay? So please shut up. Let the process go accordingly as Meg planned it. Let them announce who is the winner so that they can inaugurate Peter Mutharika, and let the DPP people run government, because they have been mandated by Malawians. In your mandate, yata. It's finished. Zata. You are making a lot of noise. Muzane MCP Banogwe. MCP headquarters. Malawi, that is prime land. Tiburese was in Zofunika when Bajabosadi Kakuruga to my tribalist body. I won't from Malawi to avoid election. You are lucky you even tested 5 years of governance, my brother. You were not supposed to come back. And you Muma, you really thought Malawians are stupid enough to vote you and Chakwera after he killed his own vice president? My man, how deluded can one be, bro? What's up? Shut up, man. Listen, these press statements you are issuing, they are only going to be delaying the process. But you cannot delay the inevitability, bro. Things are happening behind the scenes. People have decided. From now on, nobody will want to be associated with you. You'll be a stench that nobody wants to be around, even to breathe the same air as you, bro. Try to galvanize, save the last breath of you. Just at least save yourself. Everyone, Kachumendo Banda, Gotani, they are already realigning. They are realigning. It's only you. What are you trying to do? You see, the problem is you were given this power and they made you believe that you are going to be the vice president, then later president of the country. And you cannot believe that dream is gone. Brother, the electoral process in Malawi works. It's functional. There are countries in this world that cannot change presidents the way Malawians do. But we do it. And you are not the first one to be removed from office. There were people, like Kilimuzi, who was going for the third term. Where is he now? Joyce Banda would have easily shut down the system and continue to rule. Where is she now? And who is Chakwera? Who are you? Who do you think you are? Come on, man. inauguration is happening next week, and you guys get out of the way. Mumba, watch out. I'm giving you brotherly advice. Watch out. You have made a lot of enemies, a lot of mistakes. You are really going to Maula, bro, because you really committed violations that require prosecution, and you will be prosecuted.